Good morning, folks. This is our dinner. It's
chicken dinner.
yeah, a chicken dinner. It is now 10:50. The temperature inside the solar cooker is about 125 at the moment.
And as you can see, I bought my teddy. Can you see? I bought my teddy. But I should have viewed.
There we go, folks. We'll see what it's like in a couple of hours once it gets up to temperature. Catch you in a bit. So we'll see how it looks in a couple of hours. Okay, folks, it's 2:10. Chicken's cooked to perfection. Just leave it in a little bit longer just to brown off a bit. Then we'll put the vegetables in. It's took, well, less than 3 hours, all told. So that's it for now. We'll get the vegetables in and we'll show you it when it's all cooked and on the plates. Catch you in a bit. Well, it's time to check the vegetables.
You okay? Oh, sorry.
Well, they look cooked. So, take them in, drain them. Okay, do you want to film us draining them? Film that, you got it?
Wait a minute. Yeah. Shall I come round to the other side?